Hello, ASEA friends. Erin King here with a question for you. When you're typing, texting, tweeting, maybe even TikToking, how persuasive would you say that you are? Does the way that you show up to the world from behind the screen to share your story influence the human on the other side to stop their scroll, lean forward, and say those three magical words, "Tell me more"? Well, if you're not sure, good news. Because together, you and I are going to be talking all about how you can get more yes, online, offline, and all the time. September 22nd at the Fort Worth Convention Center, yeehaw, I'm going to be sharing with you my award-winning pub methodology, which has been used by some of the world's biggest brands, everyone from the Oscars in Hollywood to the United States Navy, to help them attract more attention, increase their influence, and, most importantly, sell smarter. And after our time together, you, my ASEA friends, will be able to do the same from your very next message, meeting, or high-stakes moment. Together, let's power your potential at your global convention, Fort Worth, Texas, September 22nd. I'm Erin King, and I cannot wait to see you then.